Kote hurire ngukure Yusufu na n'abandi abarumuto mu bwambare na Dennis Blessing bakejumbiro mu kwibe mabazo mu irwaro rya government rya Change Police Health Center ya kabiri erukure yabire nakora nukwe batandika kujuguza abahecera ba ADF mu Rukongo.
Never ever to they steal drugs from the government facilities. Your Worship, this court has earlier set a standard concerning people that participate.
Roya wakure ashabire koti okucendeza hacufibiro ngo habwo kuba amazire emyaka 29 arukwereza government.
He has served the government diligently for the past 9 years. He is a family man with 4 children, biological children, and 6 dependents.
Omuhorereza wa government ayirekero kukora shemerire kibonerezo kimare hwabo bona abako basa kuba bine ntekateka nkeze.
National Drug Authority ntwesima munonga kureba twahika ankomero y'umushango ubwo muri Changejo kumara emyezi 11 twire followinga umushango gumukuru w'umupolisi utwakwasire ukwetwa kure utwashangira inimbazi ya government yabe naiba kuruga health center 2 ya polisi yo muri Changejo tukamukwata n'abandi bikireze mushango yasharamu koza komperizoba umuramuzi umushango yago musingisa yamusindika umuchome kumara imyaka 4.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Dorine Nasima.